Hey everyone, I wanted to show you how I'm able to back up and sync my Minutes Matters Shapes folder. Now this is a handy little tip if you have more than one computer. If you're using Studio on just one computer, then this isn't really anything that would be useful. But if you have more than one computer, this is really, really handy. Now, your Shapes folder, in case you didn't know, when you add things to your custom folder in Studio, it is saved to a folder that is in your Documents, My Studio Designs, and this folder is called your Shapes folder. And that folder holds everything that is in this custom folder. Now I'm setting up a new computer right now, so there's like nothing in here right now. I haven't synced it with my other computer or anything. But for this video, I did add my copyright to my custom folder just to show you that when you add something to the custom folder, if you sync your Shapes folder with your other computer, then when you add it on either computer, it will automatically show up in the index folder on the other computer. So let me show you how easy it is to set up a sync folder. And the tool that I use to sync and backup is SugarSync. The reason that I use SugarSync is because it backs up and it syncs both. Now, I use some other products that do different things and help me do different things, but one of the neat things about SugarSync is that you can add sync folders from anywhere on your computer. I'm actually syncing a folder that is it's one of my hidden files inside my roaming folder, and that way both of my computers keeps that folder in sync, so that when I use that application, the data inside the application stays synced and is the same and available to me and up to date on both machines. Okay, so let me show you. What you're looking at right here is the SugarSync file manager, and that is what gets installed on your computer when you sign up for SugarSync and download it. Okay, you would click Manage Sync Folders. Now this is the machine that I'm on right now, and it's highlighted actually down here with this green bar. And this is my other computer that I use, and then I have a third computer that I don't really use, but I have SugarSync on it just in case. So, but these are the two computers that I'm mainly concerned with, and these are the two that I use Studio on as well. So, what I'm going to do is, and this is so easy, this is so fast, you're going to add a folder to SugarSync, and you navigate, this window opens that lets you navigate to the folder. Let's see, I have it in My Studio Designs, and I'm going to put a check mark next to the box called Shapes, and then click OK. And then I want to tell, now that I've added that folder, now that folder is going to be automatically backed up, and if anything were to happen to my computer, my Shapes folder is safe and sound in the cloud on the SugarSync server. So it's backed up automatically once you add that folder. But I also want it to sync as well. So I'm going to click the sync button, and it shows me both of my other computers, and since I don't really use Studio on that computer, I'm not going to check that box. I only want to be syncing that folder with this machine here. So then I'm going to click OK, and it adds that Shapes folder to my other machine. So now when I add things, no matter what machine I'm on, and I add something to my custom folder, they're going to stay, these custom folder on both machines are going to stay in sync, and I'm just tickled about that. Now, to get SugarSync, I've actually included a link in this post to get SugarSync. SugarSync you can sign up for free. They have a free account that you can sign up for, that and their free account gives you 5 gigs of space and many ways to earn extra space, and which I do. I have, let's see, I have, if you add both these numbers up, 12, 13, almost 14 gigs, or it is, yeah, it is 14 gigs of space now that I have free from SugarSync. And the reason that I have so much, I started out with the 5 gig free account, but I've been referring people on my blog and in emails and friends and clients, and you get, every time someone signs up for a free account by your referral, they give you 500 free megabytes, and they give the person that you signed up 500 free. And then if they sign up for a paid account, and their paid account, the first paid account that they have, the first level, is 30 gigs for $3.99 a month, I believe. And if you sign somebody up for that, then, or if you sign up for that one the first time, they give you 10 free gigs along with the 30. And then, of course, various ways to sign up and earn extra space. So, and one of their catchphrases is, "We love giving away free space." And I've been using it for a while, and it works wonderfully, and it syncs seamlessly, and there's a lot of features in it. It's like Dropbox on steroids. And I've used Dropbox for a long time, but Dropbox doesn't have the extra features that SugarSync does. And if you want to see, I did a detailed video on how to use SugarSync and some of its features, and that video is on my blog. If you are interested in watching that, you can go there and watch that. And I've got the link also that you can, in the post, that you can go to. Okay, now I forgot where I was. Okay, so I provided a link that you can use to sign up for SugarSync, and if you use that link that I provided, and this is like a commercial, I guess, for SugarSync, if you use that link, then you will get, in addition, if you sign up for the free 5 gig, you'll get another 500 using my link, and I'll get an extra 500 as well for referring, and that we both benefit from that. And if you sign up for a paid account, the first paid account, 30 gigs, then you'll get 40, you'll get an extra 10, and then I'll get an extra 10 too. But that's only a one-time, one-shot deal. You have to kind of decide which one you want to start with, because if you start off with a free account and then you decide to jump up to the paid account, the offer of the 10 free gigs are no longer on the table. You only got the 500 for when you first started up. So, hopefully you understood this video and I didn't get you all confused with the commercial. Yeah, so try out SugarSync. It's free. You've got nothing to lose, and it's real easy to sync your folders on your computer. There's so many things. As you can see, my SugarSync is cram-packed. Oh, and then, like I said, this is the SugarSync file manager. It's the desktop client that gets installed on your computer when you install it. And this folder right here is called My Magic Briefcase. That folder is actually installed in your documents when you install SugarSync. And see, all the files that are in this folder are the files that are in here. And this folder works exactly like Dropbox. And that's just the folder that works like that. Everything else is extra that Dropbox doesn't have. And as you can see, I have Dropbox, and I love Dropbox. SugarSync has some extra stuff that Dropbox doesn't. And I think Dropbox is a little more expensive too. So yeah, if you want to see some more detailed, a more detailed video of how to use SugarSync, you can watch the video. I'm going to stop this and quit talking. I hope this helps somebody. Thanks. Bye.